Ayan, madama natin Sharon nun. Ayan.
Ata ni nabsog kami nun.
Tahimik eh.
Vlogger ka niya, i-post mo to YouTube mo.
Agita, sige. Sharon, halata nabsog. Ayan.
Ito guys, yung mga member ng Sharon.
Ayan, Sharon.
Yan yung yung manager ng Sharon.
Very bad. Goddamn Filipino eating sweet potato.
Ato iti tagain now, iso nga nag-Sharon. Oy, gusto na nalpason.
Nakabiro gayam na amo na ni Ate Sita.
Ayan, Sharon. Nakabirukan na.
Dita mid-level, ka central.
Sige, mag-Sharon na kayo lahat.
Mayat man.
Pero bibiro nga
Ikaw, wala kang Sharon? Wala daw siyang
I have
Sharon.
only small bag, so I don't need the Sharon.
Ay. Simple. But the Sharon is hiding already. Pakiyot mo. How about you, my friend? Do you get the Sharon?
Yes, I got. I got one bag.
You got the Sharon.
Then I also have this one. Then
Until now, still eating.
Yes.
How was the food? Everything
Good. All Sharon already. Gary. The food, all Sharon.
Your food is like a food bye-bye.
Hindi pa kumain si Gary.
Look. Wow, my niece. So many take Sharon.
Huwag kanya lima ng bisato.
Wow. Ano?
Ewan ko. Kasi sabi niya sa post naghahanap siya ng ng boarding niya sa central area 2 weeks lang. Pero sana mag-exit siya, di ba? Kasi
Nag-exist siya sa Macau kasi. Pero kailangan niya mag-exist sa bago niya.
oh,
Ayan, tapos na nag-Sharon? Wala na nag-Sharon.
nag-break call ka na.
Ayan, wala nang ma-Sharon. O, yan, magsa-Sharon kayo. Anya, this is the birthday celebrant.
Hindi pa naman yung tapos.
Still eating. Gary,
What?
for your food.
Oh, my food?
Yes, and also this one.
Oh, okay. No, I can't. I take this one. Go.
Also this
No need.
sticky rice.
Cigarette?
Sticky rice. Cigarette, you like cigarette? Ah?
No. You told me it's a secret.
Kanya kay tatay sugod ko man.
Kinagatan niyo.
Kinagatan nito.
Duray na kagatan, isugod ko na ba? Yawin ko.
Kukanin ko. Oh, wala na. Ubus na? Dahil na Sharon na? Oh, ano? Ito yung flight attendant.
Kami mo yung plato mo. Panin mo.